Hello and welcome to the video. If this is your first time here, my name is Mike. If you've been here before, my name is still Mike, but you would have known that already. This week, we're taking a look at the Alberta-Saskatchewan border markers in Lloydminster. Now, due to several airspace restrictions and not a small amount of wind, I decided it was safer to leave my drones tucked in the Jeep. The markers are located in downtown Lloydminster, right next to City Hall. These bright orange markers are representative of the survey markers used during the original survey of the border between these two provinces. The gaps between the steel pillars of each monument represent the actual border. The city of Lloydminster paid $500,000 in 1994 to have these impressive monuments built and installed. The world's tallest border markers are not without controversy though, due to the fact that these colossal markers stand a whopping 30 meters tall. They twist and sway in the wind. This movement causes significant damage to the anchor bolts, and in 2000, one of the markers had to be torn down due to broken and damaged bolts securing it to its concrete base. All that remains now is for me to remind you to subscribe if that's something you're into. Like the video if you did. Feel free to share it with friends or family members you think may enjoy it. And remember, you can follow Gradient Imaging on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok if you so desire. But until next week, bye-bye.